The Vivo Y19e is a budget-friendly smartphone that offers a combination of essential features suitable for everyday use. Key specifications: display, 6.74-inch HD plus LCD with a 90 Hz refresh rate, providing a smooth visual experience. Processor, Unisoc T7225 chipset, an octa-core processor built on a 12-nanometer process, ensuring efficient performance for daily tasks. RAM and storage. Comes with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage, expandable up to 2 TB via microSD card, offering ample space for apps and media. Cameras. Rear, 13-megapixel main camera with an f2.2 aperture, accompanied by a secondary 0.08-megapixel camera, suitable for basic photography needs. Front, 5-megapixel selfie camera with an f2.2 aperture, adequate for clear self-portraits. Battery, equipped with a 5,500 mAh battery supporting 15 watts fast charging, ensuring extended usage without frequent recharging. Operating system, runs on Android 14 with FunTouch OS 14, providing a user-friendly interface and access to the latest features. Durability. Features IP64 rating for dust and water. Resistance, offering resilience against everyday challenges. Colors. Available in titanium, silver, and majestic green.